Hello guys, so this is the natural bridge. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Hello, so we're heading to the natural bridge. It's a nice weather, but still cold. It's winter. Come to Emerald's Lake's Natural Bridge. You see a small pool out with a sign for the natural bridge as you drive up the road from the Trans-Canada Highway to Emerald Lake. We'd never stopped here before, so we decided to finally see what the fuss was about on a recent visit. It was completely blown away and surprised by how amazing this tourist site is in winter. The Emerald River was frozen, so we could descend to the river. We walked under the pedestrian summer bridge you'd normally use to view the natural bridge. We even got to walk under the natural bridge, which was surreal and definitely on our must-do-again list for future trips. The Yoho National Park is known to some as Banff's quieter sister location. Yoho boasts similar landscape and is located just 20 minutes from Lake Louise in Banff. One of the many attractions in Yoho includes Natural Bridge. The Natural Bridge is a small waterfall that has cut through the riverbed, creating a small canyon that can only be explored during winter. The river and waterfall rage on for 3 seasons of the year. During the winter, the river slows and the waterfall eventually freezes over, including the river beneath it. We enjoyed an especially brutal cold snap the week prior to us arriving at the Natural Bridge. It was fairly confident the river and the falls would be frozen and safe to walk on. And if you don't know for 100% certainty that the ice is safe to walk on, do not attempt to go inside the Natural Bridge. The river underneath the ice continues to rage on all winter long. Falling through ice here would be fatal. The bridge is located just a few minutes from the parking lot, which makes it a great photography or sightseeing objective in the winter. You can leave your car and be in the Natural Bridge quickly. First, you have to cross the footbridge over the river and then walk around to the far right side of the lookout. From there, you descend into the wood and make a left towards the river. Once on the ice in front of the canyon, you get your first glimpse of how extraordinary the Natural Bridge is. The scale seems to be larger than you might expect once you walk inside. From the inside of the canyon, you can see incredibly unique shapes in the rock where the raging river has been breaking down for thousands of years. Walk right to the back and find a large curtain of frozen ice hiding the moving waterfalls just behind it. The roaring sound of the river behind the ice is enough to freak you out. Looking up and you can see how far the waterfall would jet out in the spring. It's hard to believe that in just a few months the Natural Bridge will be full of glacier melt explosively shooting out from the small canyon. You definitely need to capture the beauty of the Natural Bridge. You'll need a very wide angle to capture the canyon. It's a strange place that feels large yet small at the same time. I find the wider you can shoot the canyon, the better. Another option might be stacking multiple images in Photoshop afterwards. Image stacking creating a panoramic is always a great option here. The canyon is pretty much the same temperature as outside. Be sure to pack We had so much fun exploring the Natural Bridge together with my family. That day it was so cold and of course the snow was so thick, but it didn't stop us from going down the Natural Bridge. You should also wear your cleats because going down is so steep and slippery. The cleats really help us as we go down and explore the natural bridge. And it was so amazing, and I hope you come visit Alberta and stop over this natural bridge. It's a must-see during winter. I hope you enjoyed watching and you find this video informative as well. And if you do, please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel for more adventures with me and my family. Enjoy the rest of the video and don't forget to thumbs up this video and always subscribe to my channel to keep you updated. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye!
I'll go here then.
Uy, dahan lang, halika, bilis mo na. Nag-iinay kami. Uy na.
Wow. This.
Picture, Mal, picture. Hello. Picture dun kay Mami. Tingin dun.
Now.
Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you later!
On my next vlog.